Hi everyone, I'm Honda from Okidator. On this video, I'd like to show you how to print with Pro10 50. First of all, we attached just one-page guide to show quickly how to print with Pro10 50. We are very happy for you to see the guide before printing. We try to highlight our media handling capability, but unfortunately, our printer cannot print on any type of media. Before printing, we would like you to check some items. Only roll type of media is available. Cut sheet is not available. The roll specs should meet 3-inch core inner diameter up to 8-inch roll outer diameter. From 1-inch up to 5-inch media width, from 76 micron up to 250 micron media thickness including liner. Then, please check electrical conductivity. Conductive media is not preferable because of electric shock risk. If you like to print on metric media, please choose non-conductive ones. The media with roulette or punch hole is not also preferable. It may hit some mechanical sensors and may damage on hardware. The last item is checking heat resistance of media. We are using filter to fix toner on media. Please avoid to use lower heat resistance media like polyethylene. If it is bothering for you to check media availability, we can introduce you some tested media through our dealers. I think it is the easiest way for you. So now, let's see how to print with Pro10 50. Firstly, please measure your label dimension so that you can input the dimension numbers on printer driver. Depending on format, please measure media dimension, gap length, side margin length. On the second, let's set a sensor position and load a roll media to the printer. Open covers and put consumables aside, then you can see print position sensor. Let's adjust the sensor position so that it can detect this gap or black mark sensor. It is the same thing for cutting position sensor. Open feeder cover, then adjust it. My recommendation is both sensor position keeps aligned. Next is setting up the media. Open the flange, set a roll at far side, and lock the flange to fix a roll. Then release levers and forward media to the paper guide. Close all levers and covers. That's it. On the third, let's register your media settings on driver. Put name first as you like, select media format, type and thickness, and put media dimension accordingly. In case of using die-cut media, don't forget to execute sensor adjustment. This is to check if the printer can sense the media gap or black mark before printing. If you like to print with high accuracy print position, I recommend running paper interval detection. Printer can measure the average of gap variance and adjust print position before start printing with some labels consumption. By the way, this printer adjusts print position also while printing. This instruction is for customers who want to adjust print position with high accuracy for first page. The last step is printing. Specify number of prints and cut timing with the printer driver. In this part, you should be noted that minimum cut length is 4 inches. Less than 4-inch length labels, number of pages will be automatically increased to meet 4-inch length. And in this case, the page number to be specified is fixed to a multiple of minimum cuttable pages. For example, in case of 2-inch length label, cuttable pages fixed at a multiple of 2. Then, please confirm settings on color tab. If you like to print with white, There are some options to decide how you like to put white. Pre-programmed options for customers who want to print with white quickly. Application specification mode for customers who want to customize white with Adobe Illustrator. Then you can print. Thanks for watching this video.